I don't know who told you wash and goes can't be done fast, but I'm here to tell you it can be done.
Drop it low, girl. 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 Drop it low.
Hey guys, it's your girl Frankie here, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing a hair tutorial. This is my wash and go in 30 minutes and under, because we're gonna do this fast. So what I'm only using two things. So I'm using water, because every curly girl knows you need water. So water, and this is the Beautiful Textures Curl Definer Styling Custard. So this. Okay. So, and it smells really good. So those are the two things that I'm using. And then I have my hair bow. I did dye my hair black, so please guys excuse I got it on my hands, so excuse all of that. But yeah, so before we get started, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the little bell next to it so you'll know when I post my videos. I'm going to definitely get more hair tutorials out for you guys and some makeup tutorials, so yeah. So my hair has been deep conditioned. Oh my gosh. It has been deep conditioned or whatever, and we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna put on my timer so you guys can see. Timer 30 minutes. And it is starting. Okay, so since it's starting, I need to go. So I'm just going to put my hair up. Take out a section at a time. Put it up. Alright, y'all. So you know I gotta. And I'm not doing it on. I usually do it in the shower, but not today. This is lazy girl. I got time to do all that in the shower. So I'm just raking the product through. I already detangled my hair earlier because I had my wash day. So I already detangled and deep conditioned, all that stuff. So right now I'm just gonna apply. Ooh, yes, honey. Okay. I need to hurry up. I only got 30 minutes. Take out another section. We got some cheese. Water. And by doing it this way, at least your hair will dry a little bit faster than it being like soaking wet, because usually it takes forever to dry when it's soaking wet. So I'm just, and I'm being pretty generous with the products, so. Irresistible.
Everything I do it with a passion. With a passion. With a passion. irresistible. Live by the challenge, only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on it. I go crazy. Irresistible, irresistible, irresistible. Irresistible, 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 irresistible. Everything I do it with a passion.
Like, I really want to check the time, but I feel like I'll be like wasting minutes, like checking. So I don't want to check. Almost done, guys.
I go crazy. Irresistible, irresistible, irresistible. Live by the challenge, only makes me stronger. One more reason to turn up on it. I go crazy.
Okay. Let's see. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna see how much time we got left. Like, oh my gosh, my hands on thumbprint will work. Oh my God, cancel. Oh my God. Ah! Y'all. 14. I did this wash and go in 15 minutes. Like, girl, yes. Well, you know, I got time. I got time. So, honey, let me look at my hair. And as you guys can see, my hair came out a lot, like in the front. So it's like really short. I've been trying to grow it back. It's been really, really short. So okay. Oh, okay. Let me get a little closer. Oh my gosh, this definition is amazing, y'all. Like, you can't lie. Amazing. The wash and go is looking super bomb. Now, because my hair shrinks a lot, I'm really just trying to figure out a method that works for me that will stretch my hair when I do my wash and goes. So as of right now, it's just gonna be shrunken up. So I'm going to let it air dry for a couple hours, and then if it's not, then I'm just gonna blow dry it a little bit. But that's it, guys. So we did that. I did not turn on timer. So yeah, I still have 11 minutes left. Like, crazy. So I'm gonna do my makeup and stuff and just let my hair air dry, and I will check back in with you guys when it is done. But there you go, under 30-minute wash and go. If you move a little slow, that's okay, it's gonna get done. So I'm excited. Like, I don't think I ever really done my wash and goes in like 15 minutes, but I'll take it. I'll take it. I know it can be done now. So yeah, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so I am back, and it's been about 8 hours. My hair is completely dry, but this is what I mean, like the shrinkage, like you can't even like see the length. And then in the front, I told you guys it started coming out and it's just uneven, and you can like really tell when I do a wash and go. That's why I do not do wash and goes. That's why when I do them, I put it up in a puff because it look all uniform and not like this. So that's what that is. I do have a special guest. Say hi, Kills. Say hi, Kelsey. This is my Kelsey baby. She wouldn't let me be great, so she's here on my lap. Let's add a little water. So you spread a little water, one, to get if your hair is crunchy, it gets it out. And then I'm going to stretch. I'm going to stretch this wash and go. Really? Look. Look, mama. Look. Don't you look so cute? Yeah, so I'm going to try to stretch my wash and go. If it works, then I'll do a video for you guys to show you how I stretch it. But this curl definition is everything. Like, let me get closer. See, the curls are nice and clumped together. So yeah, so I'm gonna get my hair back all the like same, but right now it's gonna take a little work. So I'm glad you guys are going to be with me on this journey. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah. Bye, guys. And Levi says bye-bye. Bye-bye. And Skylar. Okay, guys, so this is day 2 hair, and I really like it. Like, my hair is just looking so much better. Like, day 1 is always like really shrunken, and just, I don't really care for day 1 hair, but day 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 hair be bomb. Like, I love it. Like, I still need to trim my hair, as you can see, but you definitely, when my hair is curly, you can definitely tell, you know, where it's, you know, shorter, a little bit uneven, like right here. So I'm probably gonna do another video on trimming my hair because I do need to trim it. But other than that, it's looking really good. For my edges, as you can see, look at this. Amazing. For my edges, I use the Cream of Nature with argan oil. So I use this for my edges. And I haven't used it in a very long time, but it was on sale, so I got it. I believe I liked it. I don't know, it's not turning white or anything, so I think I like it. So yeah. So pretty much that is my wash and go. You guys already seen day 1, and this is day 2, so I'm excited to see what day 3 is gonna look like. I did stretch my hair a little bit yesterday because I don't like it like super shrunk. Like, my hair shrinks up so much, you would not, it doesn't even look like my hair comes down here, like, because my hair shrinks up. But that's just the type of hair that I have. So I have to stretch it or something, you know, when it's in a wash and go or a couple days, then it starts to kind of loosen up and things like that. So I really love it. I think the more days that go by, the better it looks. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.